The tadpole sometimes exhibits predatory behavior and eat his own siblings, especially in environmental conditions as bad as lack of food, water is contaminated, or the living space is too tight. It's a natural survival strategy. Increase the chances of survival of some individuals. When eating meat, these tadpoles absorb extra protein and essential nutrition, help them grow faster, stronger, and soon morphed into adult frogs. This is especially important if their habitats are ponds and lakes. Temporary risk of running out of water before they complete their development cycle. In addition to eating meat, it also helps reduce competition in the population, which improves survival rates for the rest of the population. Even though this behavior seems cruel from a human point of view, it's part of the law of natural selection. In the wild, survival is a priority, and sometimes that means making sacrifices their own.